my absolutely zestful financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. And welcome to the most flavorful edition of Taco Tuesday, where we're about to add some serious spice to your savings routine. I'm absolutely bubbling with excitement because today we're mixing up the perfect recipe for financial success with ingredients that are both satisfying and sustainable. We're filling our sizzling Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge envelope, following along with our adorable little pig friend who's become the most relatable expert at navigating external dance between wanting everything now and building something amazing for later, and learning the most profound life lessons from our wise pig mentor who's mastered the art of finding joy in simple pleasures while still dreaming big. You know what absolutely captivates me about Taco Tuesday? It's this beautiful reminder that the most satisfying experiences come from combining simple ingredients with thoughtful preparation and just the right amount of creativity. Your financial life deserves the same kind of artistry, taking basic money habits, seasoning them with your personal values and dreams, and creating something that's nourishing both your current happiness and your future abundance. There's something so deeply satisfying about approaching your money with the same care and attention you'd give to preparing a feast for the people you love most. Because honestly, investing in your financial wellness is an act of love for your most important person, you. Today for Taco Tuesday variable savings, we're going to see if we can squeak by today or if we will have our first IOU. We've got 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, $56 to get us through our variable savings envelopes today. We're going to start off today with our Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge. This one is not a variable, so it's $26 for today. And we have $26 right here in the back waiting for us. Let's get this colored and see how much we've saved thus far in Taco Tuesday. All right, there we go. We've got our 26 colored. We're going to set this to the side so that we can allow this to dry. Let's see how much we've saved thus far this year with Taco Tuesday. We have 400 in surplus reserve and 50, 70, 90, 110, 115, 16, 17, 18, $118. Let's see if we have a $500 placeholder because we can put, let's see, 20, we'll get us some change here. We do not have two tens. So we'll use surplus reserve. We'll get a $500 placeholder and we'll make sure that we get 10 additional dollars out of here since we're putting in $110. So here's that 10 that goes with this money here. And let's see about that $500 placeholder. We'll put this 400. Here's our $500 placeholder. Now we need to put in an entry. So for Taco Tuesday, instead of 400, we now have $500. So we're going to line out this 4. Let's see if we can make that 4 into a 5. And we've done it. There we go. And now this is $1,442 in our surplus reserve. Let's get that $100 put in our envelopes where they belong. We've got a 50 here, so we're going to put this 50 right there. And remember, this is 60 additional dollars, but we've already taken out that 10. So now we've replenished everything that we've taken out and accounted for what's been added. So now we have a nice and neat $518 that we've saved thus far this year in Taco Tuesday. Now let's take a look and see what's going on with our girlfriend, Georgette. All right, and with Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save but Loves to Spend, we are, of course, going to take our page out and let's see how much we're going to save. We are going to scratch off 2 of these and we're going to go right here. And we have $2. 1, 2. Next, we're going to go right up top here and we've got $9. We're going to put a 1 back and get our last 10. So that's $11 on this side. Let's flip us over here. And we are going to save a total of $10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to color in 2, 4, 6 here, 7, 8, 9, 10. So give me a moment to get these colored and I'll be right back. All right, and there we go. Let's get this $10 here. So we have a total of $21 that we're saving with Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save but Loves to Spend. Let's get our page placed back into our binder and let's see how much we've saved thus far this year with this challenge. All right, and we've got $1,100 in high yield savings, 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have a total of $1,208. We can place another placeholder stating that we've got $100 in our surplus reserve into our challenge envelope. Let's get this $100 placeholder in here. And let's place this $100 inside of our binder. So we've got 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. Now let's place an entry in the back of our surplus reserve that says on 8/26 LPS, we are adding $100. So we're going to make this $1,542. Now we have $1,208 that we have saved thus far in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save but Loves to Spend. Now let's move right along and check with our pig who likes to collect memories. And today in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, not things, we are going to scratch off these last two scratch offs here. And we've got 6 and 8 for $14. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 that we've saved on this side. And now let's get rolling. I am almost sure that we're going to end up with an IOU, but let's see, because we have slim pickings left over. We got a 7, and a 7 means we've got 4 of a kind. So we've got $10 here. Let's roll again. And we've got a 0. So we don't have 0. So let's roll again. We've got an 8. 8 means we're saving $15 for a royal flush. And that's where we start our IOU. So let's get our calculator going here. Of $15, we have $11. So we're going to put our 11 here. So now we owe ourselves $4. Let's keep rolling and see what we come up with. And we have a 9. You guys, we are going big or going home. 9 means, oh, I'm sorry, this one was a straight flush. Our 9 means we got another royal flush. So that's $50. And we need to roll 3 more times. We got a 2. 2 means that we've got 2 pairs. So that's $2. So now we're up to $56. We have a 1. So that's 1 pair. So we've got another $1. So that's $57. And we got a 0. So we've got to roll again. And now we've got a 6. And a 6 means we have a full house. And that's $6. So we're going to add $6. So that's $63. So let's make our IOU here. Here's our IOU. And we owe $63. That is one large IOU. So total in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, not things, we have a total of, we've got 63 here. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, So we have saved a total of $98 in this challenge today. Let's get this into our envelope and see how much we've saved thus far in this challenge since we started compiling our funds. All right. We have $200 in surplus reserve. We've got 63 in an IOU, so that's $263 there. Let's see how much we've got in cash. We've got 50, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So let's get a 20 and a 1 there. So what that means is we will have $384 saved in total once this IOU is paid. Let's go on ahead and see if I have a $300 placeholder in our surplus reserve. We don't, so what I'll do is I will get a $100 placeholder and add that to what we've currently got. So now we've got $300 there. Let's get this $100 placed in here. So we've got 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. And this should be 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $100. And we need to update our tracker in the back for Life of a Pig Who Wants to Travel. We're going to make that a 300. And this 5 becomes a 6. And now we have $384 saved in Life of a Pig Who Wants to collect memories, not things. And I will get this IOU paid hopefully before Friday. When I get it paid, I will come back and update you via a quick short. And that's another absolutely delicious Taco Tuesday cash stuffing session. Perfectly balanced. Memorable meals are the ones where every flavor complements each other. You're creating a financial life where every habit, every choice, and every envelope works in beautiful harmony to support our biggest dreams and daily joy. Our precious pig friends continue to remind us that the secret to contentment isn't about having everything. It's about savoring what you have while thoughtfully building what you want. Thank you for joining me on today's flavorful financial journey, my incredible financial fashionistas. Remember that your relationship with money should feel exactly like your favorite comfort food, familiar enough to bring you peace, exciting enough to keep you engaged, and nourishing enough to fuel all your amazing adventures. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co., reminding you that financial wellness is a recipe that gets more delicious every time you practice it. And you're becoming such a master chef in your own financial kitchen, creating that perfect balance of responsibility and joy. And I'll see you next time for more savings inspiration that feeds both the practical side of you and your dreaming heart.